Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com and summonsmaster.com. I have a community alert that I want to make you aware of. This is what we have seen from a debt collector, and I will mention the debt collector's name because I have the evidence right here in my hand that they tried this tricky mess on a client of ours. So the client came to us. They were being sued by LVNV funding for the sum of $16,539.22 plus the court cost $116 even by LVNV funding. We helped the client by getting them a response to the debt collector lawsuit, which this is a third-party debt collection lawsuit, and if you respond to them appropriately, you could actually win the case. In most instances, the debt collector, if you get it to them in time, they might choose to go ahead and dismiss the case. Well, we have a document right here where the debt collector, the closer to the date of the case, actually the day before, they submitted a letter in writing, not an email, not a phone call that can't be documented. We're talking about a letter right here stating that they would cancel the proceedings. Their attorney signed this document. And then the next day, what did they do? They went straight into court. When they didn't see the individual that got the letter, that the court date and everything was canceled, they called his name. Obviously, he's not there because he got the letter, and ended up with a default judgment for $16,539.22. Now, don't worry, this is going to be taken care of. It's going to be vacated. But what I want to make you aware of is that these debt collectors will do sneaky tactics. And I've always told people you want to follow up to make sure that all of your ducks are in a row. Great thing is that this individual had a signed document from the court. This went from the debt collector, filed in the court, and then given to our client. The next day, default judgment. So, I just want to make you aware of these things that are going on. Another thing that happened. Let's talk about another thing that happened. Debt collectors are actually speeding up the process of when they get a judgment, either by default or a judgment where the individual didn't have a response to help defend themselves in the case, just a flat-out judgment. They're speeding up the process to start either garnishing wages or garnishing bank accounts. We have an individual who came to us. He was not a client, did not have a response, ended up with a default judgment, and we looked at the documents. Today is September 9th, 2025. The default judgment was given by the court on September 5th, 2025. So 4 days ago, already within 4 days, they went into his bank account and took $800 out of his bank account. Now, when they have that judgment order to garnish a bank account, they can leave that attached to that bank account until that entire garnishment is paid. So if you find yourself in that situation, you had a default judgment, you can contact us and we can help get that judgment vacated based on you not being, based on it being a default judgment. There's a process that we can start the paperwork for you, and all you have to do is sign, date, file it, and we'll guarantee that your default judgment will be vacated. And the funds, if they took any money, those funds have to be given back to you. Now, I just wanted to make you aware that throughout the day, I try to do this, but throughout the day as things start to come through, I should be, I'm going to do my best to make videos and just put them out there so you can know what's going on. Oh, another one that came to mind. We had another potential client that is being sued by BHG Bankers Healthcare Group. looking at the documentation, we could see that there's problems with that case, and there's allegedly problems with the way that that company is underwriting loans. I won't go too far into that, but if you're being sued by Bankers Healthcare Group or their company, I forget, I think it's Pinnacle, I'm not sure, the company that they're partnering with, that they've actually started doing more of their loans through, and you had defaulted on the loan, and we could review your paperwork to let you know some of the options on either potentially winning the case or moving into a settlement negotiation posture to be able to allow yourself to move forward and have that case resolved. And let's see what else we got out there. Obviously, credit repair. I just made a video about why credit matters. There's a lot of influencers out there telling people to use cash, only cash, all of that, Dave Ramsey way, all of that stuff. I'm telling you, if I would have listened, if I would have listened to them, I wouldn't have, it would have been the wrong decision for me. Not to say that that's not the right decision for you, but I'm not talking about going out there getting loans and doing stuff and just buying all this crazy stuff. I'm talking about if you're trying to move forward in a business, you're trying to be able to move forward and save for retirement, buy a house. You're not going to pay cash for a house. All of that stuff. You need to have good credit. That's like the foundation for it all. So if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. We can help you all the way from A to Z. That means that it could be credit repair process and the settlement process. That makes sense. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all these scores. The link is below this video. If you have debt collectors trying to sue you, go to summingsmaster.com, where you can get a response to every allegation and a defense to potentially win your case. And we back that up with us viewing your documents to make sure that everything is correct, or you can just come through us and we can create them for you if you don't have time to upload your documents. If you have debt collectors sending you letters, you got to respond to those letters also, or they're going to move towards the process of a lawsuit. You can go to summingsmaster.com to get that done also, an exclusive certified debt validation letter. All you have to do is sign it, send it off certified mail to them, and that could stop most debt collectors who have purchased your debt. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.